background kasi maulan, but yeah, I was just excited. So sa aking Instagram, dun yung announcement na yeah, I saw it. I thought it's an old model. So check ko, so nakita ko, okay, wait, USB-C. So I searched for it, and then I find out na it's a newly announced product sa US. Meron na siya. It's around, if not mistaken, $80. So that's roughly around 5k pesos. If we go with that price, hindi ko lang kung may shipping fee and dagdag pa sa price, pero roughly around 5k compared sa Momentum na sa around 21k. So it's a little bit cheaper. And then they say that it is a successor of Sennheiser HD400S. So instead of analog, USB-C ang gamit niya. And actually hindi lang ito yung announce na meron pa isa. It's an earphone, or earphone is yung line, hindi siya earbud. Pero yun, USB-C pa rin. So I think they're trying to modernize their headsets. So instead of an analog 3.5, it will now be a USB-C. And as they mentioned, yung USB-C, it will be far more lossless, high-res na sound kasi mas mabilis yung travel. So depende, I think, if they're using 3.2 na USB or kung 4, kasi hindi pa lahat ng devices meron na yung USB 4. But nonetheless, it is Type-C. Pwede siya sa phone, sa tablet, sa PC, and even pwede rin siya sa tablet, phone, computers, anything that is allowed kang gawin ng USB-C. So yeah. And then actually ang kanyang inline o yung kanyang wire is pwede siyang alisin. For easy travel lang, meron siyang, as they say, tiga lang yung kasama yung packet. Ano ba dito? Kasama yung hindi binanggit, pero yun lang. Over the air siya, dynamic, closed back, USB-C ang plug. Nasa halos 1.4 meters yung haba ng wire, pero sa wire nandun yung remote. So pagka-answer ka ng call, tapos may mic din siya doon. So hindi built-in dun sa mismong headset yung mic, nandun sa USB, ito sa cable. All other technical stuff is here. Yung mic is omnidirectional, so wala siyang noise cancelling. Waiting na lang tayo sa mga review kung kumusta, kung okay ba. Kasi it's just a basic, instead of being analog is naging USB-C siya, tapos medyo mas okay yung hearing. Sabi nga nila, it's just a budget headphone, plug and play, walang app, hindi siya wireless, wala siyang battery, it's just pure plug and play. Then yeah, for basic phones lang, it goods pa rin naman budget wise. Price to quality, then I think advisable siya. But it excites me kasi like Globe, like Samsung, I'm a fan of the Sennheiser brand. Actually, waiting ako sa Momentum 5, but this is also good news. If in the future sira na tong Momentum 4, meron na good naman yung reviews nito, pwede naman ito mas mura. Kasi Momentum 5 na more or less siguro nasa 30k yan, 24 na naman or what. So yeah, yun lang, quick lang kasi just happy to see it and excited for 5 sa Momentum 5. Kasi kung nagawa nila ito I think it's one of the legendary models naman nila, and they make it modern. So hoping okay yung mga reviews, waiting for the reviews. Kaka-announce lang nito January 26 na, so wala pa. Actually kanina kita nyo coming soon. This is the UK website, kasi sa US website wala siya. Pero sa ibang bentahan ng mga websites meron na siyang price, tapos meron na rin siyang so I don't know if yung 80 is the official price to, pero if it is, then mura nga siya. Though yun nga, nabanggit nga din na budget talaga siya. So yun, hanggang dito na lang para mabilis ng ating video. Thank you.